Morning, children. Yes, I have entered your homes, knocking on your cell phones. Yes, my blooms. Are you all ready for it? Okay, take with tenses today again, and we continue with the previous lecture which we ended yesterday. We were doing past, present, and future tense, children. Yes, yes, children. Let's get started. Past, present, and future. See how beautifully it is the action that takes place with time. There's a big clock in the garden, right? Now we continue with another, just brushing up. Tense is a grandfather, yesterday we did. With three sons, all three sons having four children. And the names are also same. But with simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous, simple past tense, past continuous, past perfect continuous. So we are recapitulating, children. हम याद करें वो बच्चों का नाम. Future tense, third son with his four children. Simple future tense, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Now, children, again the base form. You all know play, played. Participle is a past participle. S and ES form is plays and ing is playing. Go becomes went in past. Past participle gone. S and ES form will be goes and going. Now this is another play card. I want you to make it for all the tenses. It becomes very easy. And you can just preserve it. Whenever you forget, you remove and you will get the thing. Simple past tense, we have done this, right? Again recapitulating beta. Simple past played, simple perfect में had आएगा, had और फिर played participle base form के साथ ed लगेगा. Continuous was and were, was with singular, were with plural, with verb with ing. Past had been playing with verb ing. Been has to be there in perfect. Keep this thing in mind. Now this is entire play card. I have put it into short form. If you want, you can write in your book this thing. The same play cards, it is same over here. So I don't need to repeat. Let's do with the sentence, children. First we will do, yesterday we did present. Now we are going to do past tense. See the bracket में जो words है, spend. This is the base words, base verb I would say. It changes to past participle, past. That is the one which has already happened. It will change and sometimes you will add past में ed also. Last year I spent you won't write it. You will write it spent my holiday in Ireland. It be. Now be is a present tense, but be का past tense क्या होगा? Was. Great. Travel, traveled. I traveled around by car with two friends and we visited lots of interesting places. In the evenings we usually go के बदले क्या लिखा था हमने? Went to a pub. Past tense. One night we even learned, to learn नहीं आएगा, क्या आएगा? Learned some Irish dances. We, be. Now we is plural, right? It is a present form of plural. तो we were, is का plural form जो है were आएगा. or were, it is in a past tense, not are. Were. Lucky with the weather. If not है तो not लगाना ही है. If it did not rain a lot, but we see becomes saw some beautiful rainbow. Where did you spend your last? So where did you spend your last holiday, children? Yes. Now we are coming to past perfect simple tense. Past perfect में क्या आएगा? Had पॉजिटिव में आएगा. अगर नॉट दिया है तो हैड नॉट लगेगा. एंड पास्ट टेंस ऑफ अ वर्ब. कीप दैट. ठीक है, विच आई हैव ऑलरेडी एक्सप्लेन यू इन द प्रीवियस लेक्चर. द स्टॉर्म्स डिस्ट्रॉयड द सैंड कासल दैट वी हैड बिल्ट. हैड परफेक्ट में आएगा ही आएगा. ही हैडिंट, नॉट है मतलब हैडिंट, या फिर had not been to Cape Town before 1997. When she went out to play, she do और already. तो had का had के लिए क्या दिया गया है? Do. Had already done. Do becomes done. Had तो आएगा. Done her homework. My brother ate all the cake that our mom, that is mummy, make. तो made हो जाएगा. Had made. The doctor took off the plaster that he had put on. यहाँ पे verb change नहीं होगा. 6 weeks before. खाली had add हो रहा है आगे. The waiter brought a drink that I. नॉट है तो हैड क्या बनेगा? नेगेटिव बनेगा. यूज कहाँ पे होगा? यूसेज उसका नॉट के साथ. हैडंट ऑर्डर्ड. पास्ट टेंस ऑफ ऑर्डर इज ऑर्डर्ड. I could not remember the poem we learned, that means learnt, the week before. The children collected the chestnut that had fallen from the tree. See, everywhere you can see had. He phone डैश है तो हैड ही फोन, क्वेश्चन मार्क है तो हैड आगे आएगा. हैड ही फोन्ड एनजी बिफोर ही वेंट टू सी हर इन लंडन. इट्स अ गर्ल्स नेम. शी नॉट राइड अ हॉर्स बिफोर दैट डे. हैड नॉट. राइट. नाउ चिल्ड्रन वी डू पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव. दैट इज हैड नहीं आएगा, इसमें सिर्फ वॉज और वर आएगा. वॉज सिंगुलर नाउन के लिए, वर प्लूरल के लिए, बेस फॉर्म प्लस आईएनजी. ठीक है. प्ले इज अ ब्रैकेट में सब बेस है वर्ब्स, उसमें आईएनजी लगेगा. सिंगुलर है तो वॉज, अगर नाउन तुम्हारे प्लूरल है तो वर. When I phoned my friends, friends is plural. They were playing Monopoly. Yesterday at 6, I. Noun is singular. You use were preparing, ing. Kids are plural. The kids were playing in the garden when it suddenly began to rain. I was practicing a guitar. I is a singular. Your noun is singular. When he came home. We means plural. We weren't cycling all day. Not है तो were क्या हो जाएगा? नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. weren't हो जाएगा. While Arun was working in his room, his friends is a plural. Arun is singular. तो was वहाँ पे यूज हुआ. फ्रेंड्स के लिए भी यूज were swimming in the pool. I tried to tell them the truth, but they listened not. So they weren't listening. Plural है they, right? What you do yesterday? So what were you? Do becomes ing, doing. Most of the time we is a plural to word sitting in the park. Got it children? Now यहाँ पे ब्रैकेट में जो है बेस फॉर्म है, यहाँ पे पास्ट प्रोग्रेसिव में क्या हो जाएगा, हैड और बीन, और जो ब्रैकेट्स में वर्ड्स दिए हैं उसमें आईएनजी लगेगा. अगर नेगेटिव है तो हैड के साथ नॉट लगेगा. ठीक है? See the sentences. I'm just going to read because I've already explained you. We had been sleeping for 12 hours. Had been तो लगेगा ही लगेगा, right? Perfect है तो. They had been waiting at the station for 90 minutes when the train finally arrived. We had been looking for her ring for 2 hours when we found it in the bathroom. Fourth, I not है तो had क्या हो जाएगा, negative. Hadn't been walking for a long time when it suddenly began to rain. How long had she been learning English before she went to London? Question mark का है तो she इसीलिए दिया गया है आपको because there has to be some noun, right? Frank Sinatra, he's an artist, he's a music player, I would say. Frank Sinatra caught flu because, and he was a very good singer too. Had been singing in the rain too long. He had been driving less than an hour when he ran out of the petrol. They were very tired in the evening because they had been helping. See how I'm speaking the sentence, because you should know had been आएगा ही आएगा और ing. Not work. Hadn't work. I hadn't worked all day, so I wasn't tired and went to the disco at night. Now we will do future tense and their types, children. Right? जो होने वाला है, हुआ नहीं है. Again the flow play card I have put up. You can make it. I have already told you in the previous also. Will and shall you can use. With of base form, simple में, perfect में will या shall with participle, ed form. कंटिन्यूस में सिर्फ बी लगेगा, आगे थोड़ा विल और शैल यूज करेंगे विथ वर्ब एंड आईएनजी. परफेक्ट में बीन आएगा ही आएगा. ठीक है? नाउ वी डू इट. सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस, यूज विल ओनली. दे हैव टोल्ड यू विल यूज करो. यू सी द बेस वर्ड्स आर इन द ब्रैकेट. आपको खाली विल लगाना है. यू विल earn a lot of money. You will travel around the world. You will meet lots of interesting people. You will adore, everybody will adore you. अभी not है तो will के साथ not लगेगा. You will not have any problems. Many people will serve you. They will anticipate your wishes. Not है तो won't हो जाएगा. There won't be anything left to wish for. Will का past tense है, won't be होगा. Everything will be. You will not write. See in the 8th sentence you will not. अगर उसने कहा है कि will use करो तो there will be anything, there will not be anything. तो will be, will not be का क्या हो जाएगा, won't be. If you want to write will तो will not be भी चलेगा. ठीक है? Everything will be perfect. But all these things happen only, अथवा will only happen if you marry me. Next one, progressive, continuous. Base words are in the bracket. The only thing you have to use is will be, will be, will be, and negative है तो will be के साथ not लगाना है. And ing form. Now isn't this grammar really becoming fun to learn with? Yes, and it is very quick to understand also, because that cloud is getting cleared, right? At midnight, we will be sleeping. This time, next week, we will be sitting at the beach. और वो फ्यूचर में होने वाला है. विल बी सिटिंग, अभी तक बैठे नहीं है, जाकर बैठेंगे. एट नाइट आई विल बी वॉचिंग द न्यूज़. टू नाइट we will be cramming up for our English test. Up cramming is appearing. They will be dancing all night. Not है तो will के साथ not लगेगा. He will not be playing all afternoon. I will not be working all day. Eat. Will you be eating? It's a question mark, so will आगे आएगा. Will you be eating at 6? Now this is also a question, to will first आएगा. Will she be driving to London? Fight day, question mark है. Will they be fighting again? Children, now we are going to do perfect. उसमें क्या आएगा? वर्ब फॉर्म रहेगा. टू रिपेयर, टू डू सब दिया हुआ है. Now future perfect, what will you use? Will have, shall have, will have, shall have, and base form, right? And will have repaired her bike next week. To repair ka, it is just a base word they have given you. You have to write down will have repaired, past tense of the base word. But will have या shall have तो लगेगा ही लगेगा perfect में. We shall have done the washing by 8 o'clock. She will have visited Paris by the end of the next year. To visit. See, these are base words. अगर तू निकाल लो तो लीव होगा तो भी चलेगा. I can give you anything, children. This is a different format. I shall have finished this by 6 o'clock. Sam will have left by next week. Right? She will have discussed this with her mother tonight. Discuss becomes past tense. Leave का becomes left. Finish का past tense हो रहा है. See, children. The police will have arrested. TED. They will have written their essay by tomorrow. Paulo will have managed the teams. To manage. ED. Right का written हुआ है. See in the previous one. Now you are understanding it. If we can do that, then we will have fulfilled our mission. Fulfilled. Yes, children? I hope you all have understood by now tenses. If there are certain things which you haven't understood, re-watch the videos and request you to prepare the play cards. It becomes really easy. Children, have a nice day. Thank you for being patient with me and listening to me. Lots of exercise, lots of things to do. For you to write also this time, you have to give exercise to your fingers. Give little exercise to your fingers. With putting the play cards in front of you, if you prepare these play cards, it will be easy for you to understand. Thank you for being patient with me. Love you all, children. Have a nice day.